How's that chocolate, Piper?
Good.
You say thank you, boys.
Thank you, boy.
You like your first box of chocolates? Say happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's.
Here, get over there with her and show us your chocolate.
No, I want to have my own.
Okay, here, you sit there. Here wants her own movie. Show us your box of chocolate. What does yours say? Uh-oh.
No, Bully.
Off, Bully. Bully doesn't.
No, bandits.
All the dogs get off the chocolate.
Pick up one. I'm getting Bully's word.
Everybody pick up all of their chocolates and put them back in the box.
A chocolate. You just have to see. Bully and Mandy. This is what chocolates look like. Everybody come close. These are what chocolates look like. It's a heart. It's a leprechaun. See? See?
Let's see, Pikey. Is this your Valentine's present?
Yes.
Who is it from?
Happy Valentine. Happy Valentine. Happy Valentine, Mommy. Happy Valentine Day.
How about a little shout out to the Carmichaels?
What? To say Carmichael?
What do you want to say to the Carmichaels?
I
How about, guess whose birthday it is tomorrow? Baby Belle's.
Baby girl. Baby. I can have face. Oh, baby bear.
You want to sing her a song?
Baby bear. You're so sweet. Baby
You have to speak
bear.
faster, I can't see you.
So baby, you're so sweet. You're so sweet. So sweet.
That's not really a song.
Why is like that song? I just made that.
You want to sing, you want to do a dance for her?
What kind of dance?
You want to do, first of all, tell the boys, oops, there are those darn chocolates again.
You can't click them on. They're just...
Yeah, the lids don't click on, they just sit on.
There's one missing.
Is it under the lid?
Look under the lid. Where is the one? Put it right there.
How about Perry, you go over there with her and you guys tell Cooper and Quinn thanks for the Valentine. You have to do it together just one time and then you can do your own.
Going crazy.
Okay, sit down next to her.
They are crazy.
Okay, both of you together say thanks for the Valentines, Cooper.
Happy Valentine's Day!
Okay, how about just a normal thank you for the Valentines?
Thank you for the Valentine's. There's like a baby voice. Let's say it like this.
Okay.
Thank you for the Valentine's Day.
Thanks for the chocolate.
Thanks for the chocolate.
Can you look into the camera and say it?
Thank you for the chocolate.
Okay, now say it.
Thank you for the chocolate.
We love them.
We love you.
Okay, say it again. I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2, 3.
We love you.
Say thanks for the chocolate.
Thank you for the chocolate.
How about one more time? Thanks for the chocolates. We love you. Sit next to sister. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you